Hello, everyone. Welcome to Practice English Fast, your go-to place for mastering English quickly and effectively. In this video, Sophia will be sharing her recent dining experience at a restaurant. We'll dive into some useful restaurant vocabulary and phrasal verbs that will help you navigate your next meal out with confidence. From making a reservation and ordering food to paying the bill and enjoying the ambience, you'll hear all the phrases and words you need to know. So, whether you're dining out or just looking to expand your English skills, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's get started and learn English through a delicious dining experience.
Hey everyone, it's Sophia here. Let me take you along on my recent experience at a restaurant. So, last night, I decided to eat out. I didn't make a reservation ahead of time, so I was hoping there'd be a table available.
Good evening. Welcome to Bistro. Do you have a reservation?
Hi, no, I don't have a reservation. Is there a table for one available?
Let me check. You're in luck. We have a table available. Would you like to sit by the window or closer to the ambience of the main dining area?
By the window sounds great. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Jason, and I'll be your server tonight. Here's our menu. Can I get you started with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water and maybe the wine list to look over.
Absolutely. I'll be right back with that. And in the meantime, feel free to take your time with the menu. We have some great specials tonight, like the gluten-free pasta or the chef's vegetarian delight.
Everything looks so good. I think I'll start with the appetizer of the day. What would you recommend?
The bruschetta is fantastic and pairs well with the house wine. For the entree, the cuisine we're featuring tonight is a Mediterranean-style grilled chicken.
That sounds delicious. I'll go with the bruschetta and the grilled chicken. Oh, and could you tell me if the grilled chicken comes with any condiments?
Yes, it comes with a side of our homemade garlic aioli. Will you be having a dessert afterward?
I'll wait to see how full I am after the meal. And just to confirm, everything is gluten-free, right?
Absolutely. We cater to all dietary restrictions. I'll get this order up for you.
So while I was waiting, I noticed the restaurant's cozy ambience. The wait time was pretty reasonable, and soon enough, my food was served.
Here you are, the bruschetta to start. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks amazing. The food was just as good as it looked, and the server was attentive, making sure my glass was always filled up.
How was everything? Did you save room for dessert?
Everything was delicious, but I think I'll pass on the dessert this time. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll have the receipt ready for you in just a moment.
When the server brought the bill, I noticed there was a section for adding a tip. The service had been great, so I made sure to add a little extra.
Here's your bill. Would you like to settle up with cash or card?
I'll pay by card, thanks.
Great. I'll be right back with the receipt.
Thanks for the great service tonight.
You're welcome. We hope to see you again soon. Have a wonderful evening.
And that was my lovely dining experience. Everything from the food to the service was spot on. I'll definitely be back at this place. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure. See you next time.
Reservation. An arrangement to hold a table for someone at a restaurant. Example. Do you have a reservation for tonight? Table for one. Definition. A table in a restaurant reserved or used for one person. Example. Sophia asked the receptionist if there was a table for one available. Ambiance. Definition. The atmosphere or mood of a place. Example. The restaurant had a cozy ambience with soft lighting. Server. The person who takes your order and brings your food at a restaurant. Example. The server recommended the special of the day. Menu. A list of food and drinks offered at a restaurant. Example. I looked over the menu before ordering. Wine list. Definition. A list of wines available at a restaurant. Example. Sophia asked for the wine list to choose a drink. Specials. Items that are not on the regular menu, often seasonal or on sale. Example. The specials tonight included a vegetarian pasta. Gluten-free. Foods that do not contain gluten, suitable for people with gluten intolerance. Example. The gluten-free pasta was delicious. Vegetarian. A diet that excludes meat and sometimes other animal products. Example. They offered several vegetarian options on the menu. Appetizer. A small dish served before the main course. Example. I started with the bruschetta as an appetizer. Bruschetta. Definition. An Italian appetizer of grilled bread topped with tomatoes and other ingredients. Example. The bruschetta was fresh and flavorful, perfect to start the meal. Entree. The main course of a meal. Example. For my entree, I chose the grilled chicken. Cuisine. A style of cooking, typically associated with a specific region. Example. I love Italian cuisine, so I ordered the pasta. Comes with. Definition. Includes something as part of a dish. Example. The grilled chicken comes with a side of garlic aioli. Condiments. Definition. Sauces or seasonings added to food to enhance flavor. Example. The table was set with a variety of condiments like ketchup and mustard. Dessert. Definition. The sweet course served at the end of a meal. Example: we decided to share a chocolate mousse for dessert. Dietary restrictions. Specific guidelines about what someone can or cannot eat. Example: the restaurant was accommodating to my dietary restrictions. Order up. Definition: to place an order for food in a restaurant. Example: Sophia ordered up a glass of wine and the evening special. Wait time. Definition: the amount of time one waits to be seated or served. Example: the wait time was short, and we were seated within minutes. Pass on. Definition: to decline or refuse something. Example: Sophia decided to pass on dessert as she was already full. Bill. Definition: a statement of the total cost of items or services received, particularly in a restaurant. Example: can I have the bill, please? Receipt: a written acknowledgement of having received a payment. Example: the server handed me the receipt after I paid the bill. Tip. Definition: extra money given for service, typically a percentage of the bill. Example: I left a generous tip for the excellent service. Beverage: a drink, especially one other than water. Example: I ordered a refreshing beverage to go with my meal. Settle up. Definition: to pay the bill and conclude the transaction. Example: before leaving, Sophia settled up with her credit card.
Before we wrap up, let's test what you've learned. See if you can answer these quick questions about dining out at a restaurant. What is the term for booking a table in advance at a restaurant? A. Ambiance. B. Reservation. C. Special. The correct answer is reservation. What do you call the main course of a meal in a restaurant? A. Appetizer. B. Dessert. C. Entrée. The correct answer is entrée. Which of the following is an example of a dietary restriction? A. Vegetarian. B. Wine list. C. Bill. The correct answer is A. Vegetarian. If you don't want to order dessert, what might you say? A. Pass on. B. Order up. C. Settle up. The correct answer is A. Pass on. What is a bruschetta? A. A type of wine. B. An appetizer. C. A dessert. Now it's your turn. Post your answers in the comments below and let's see how well you know your restaurant vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.